The Sunrise K-Series Universal Ironworkers deliver a massive number of features at a great price. In addition to the 5 standard stations that are common to this type of machine, the Universal Ironworker from Sunrise delivers a range of functions as standard that put it way ahead of competitors' models. Sunrise uses their vertical hydraulic ram design in this series to deliver higher ram force in a smaller footprint, providing more accurate and efficient cutting than traditional pivot shearing. With this vertical ram, workpiece deformation is minimized and also hugely increases the flexibility of the machine as it allows hydraulic hold down and a wide range of other optional toolings not available on pivot type machines. K-Series machines all feature safety guards equipped with electronic interlocks for enhanced operator safety at all stations. With the IW60K, you get a lot of machine for your money. This machine comes with all of these features as standard. That would be expensive optional upgrades on other manufacturers' models. With the IW60K, there are a huge range of additional options that make this one of the most versatile universal ironworkers. One of these features is the quick change die system for decreased tool change times. With all machines from Sunrise, you have the assurance of total in-house quality control. Sunrise machines all key components in-house to guarantee their precision and durability. Additionally, every machine component is individually checked and approved, so that when it comes to the final running tests, Sunrise engineers are confident in the stable quality and performance of all of these machines. When you purchase a universal ironworker from Sunrise, you're buying not just the quality and massive range of functions that you've come to expect from this brand, but also the peace of mind that comes with a quality product. Backed up by their global service network with CE safety as a standard on all models. The K-Series ironworkers from Sunrise deliver an incredible number of features and options in a space-saving package. With its unique hydraulic ram design, all stations hydraulic hold down, low material deformation and the huge range of standard accessories, this machine has got to be a great choice for enhancing the versatility of your workshop's ironworking operations.